this is the clear rear, the butler. And this is an easily attached bidet that attaches to any toilet. This thing is awesome. It's super easy to install. I myself am not handy at all, and I've done it. So I'm putting one on every toilet because it's fantastic. If you haven't tried it, you need to. This is the piece that goes, you know, on the toilet seat, and there's different pressure, high or low water pressure, and then different nozzle selections. So cleaning, women cleaning, because we have different, you know, needs. And it comes with all the attachments that you need, little hose. This thing, it's fantastic, super easy. Once you try it, you will love it, I guarantee. So, highly recommend Clear Rear, the Butler bidet. Let me show you the back of the box also. So it easily hooks to your water supply. There's a membership club. It includes self-cleaning bidet nozzle, standard wash and feminine wash, adjustable water pressure, install kit and hardware, easy to follow directions, and a 1-year warranty. So I definitely highly recommend this for everyone. It's fantastic.